What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on FTM because once again this coin is for the past couple of days pumping like crazy, and also we are forming here pretty interesting trading setup. So if you want to know about the exact trade that I'm planning to open here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that I would like to ask you if you like my videos and you like my analysis. I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under a video because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a weekly time frame. If you saw my previous FTM analysis, I think we were just broking this sideways channel on a weekly time frame. Didn't you know that in the video I said that if there will be breakout and then support confirmation, then there can be a good opportunity to open here a long trade. And you can see that after support confirmation here, we did here a pump around like 90%. So congratulations to everybody who took this move. But right now we are almost tested this resistance area, which is between levels 1.17 and 1.12. In my opinion, there is actually a high probability that eventually we are gonna test this resistance area, and because this is like such an important area, it will give us a good opportunity to open another trading positions. So let's start with the long scenario. If there will be breakout and then support confirmation, then I think that there can be a good opportunity to open here a long position. But first of all, I want to see here, for example, like something like this, because the RSI is on the weekly time frame, so from a long time perspective, on the level 88. So from a long time perspective, this coin is currently overbought. So even if now there will be like a big pump and then support confirmation, it still will be a kinda risky trade. But anyway, the exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case you can place just under this resistance area, so the potential stop loss will be, let's say, around 7% of the net market move. And your last take profit target you can, I think, put like under this current high or under these previous candles, and this will give us like absolutely insane risk reward ratio, because historically you can see that this is like the only like really important resistance, because yeah, we have some resistance, let's say here and here, but these are not that important, so we can only use them as potential take profit targets. So as you probably know, with this trade it's really important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits definitely take under these previous highs, then under these highs, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. But in the end, historically in this area we don't have here that much liquidity, so I think that for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to reach a higher levels. Overall, from the risk reward ratio like 25.5, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 17 if you will take multiple take profit targets. But like after you will take, for example, the first take profit, you need to move your stop loss to entry or to a profit, so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss. This is like really important, because always a big market crash can happen, and no matter what the technical analysis on this coin is, the coin will simply go down. So yeah, you just need to save your profits, because you don't want to have like a big profit and then because of the big market crash you will lose it all. So yeah, that's something we should always try to avoid. Another potential setup that you can take on a weekly time frame is the short trade. To open here a short trade, I want to see here first of all breakout, fake out, and then again resistance confirmation. The fake out here is extremely important because we can use it as our potential stop loss. So stop loss in this case you can place just above the high that we will create during the fake out. So if the market will do, let's say, for example, something like this, then you will just place the stop loss above it, and your last take profit targets you can place above this previous resistance area, because there is, in my opinion, decent probability that the market can do simply, for example, like something like this, and for example this area we can again use to our advantage to open here a long trade. So the potential risk reward ratio here is like 5.8, which is not that good as in the previous trade, but still historically we don't have here like any liquidity, so you can take like 1-2 potential take profit targets, so the risk reward ratio still can be around like 4.8, 4.5, something like that, which is not bad for a short trade on a weekly time frame. So yeah, if you are looking for some, let's say, short area potential trade, then yeah, this is definitely a setup that you need to watch. And if we, for example, take a look on the lower time frame, for example, for our chart, you can see that right now there is like nothing that interesting, because still the main areas that I'm watching is this resistance area that I showed you on that weekly time frame, and also this previous resistance area that I also showed you on a weekly time frame. And from a 4-hour chart perspective, like the first potential buying opportunity is in this area, this bullish order block, which is between levels 0.357 and 0.341. And in my opinion, there is like actually really small probability that we are gonna test these lower levels. So yeah, the only setups that I'm currently watching on this coin are on the weekly time frame. But honestly, this coin is really volatile. So in the like 2 days, we can have here a breakout and then support confirmation. So yeah, the potential trading setup and the potential entry into the trade can happen really fast. So again, definitely keep an eye on the setups that I showed you in this video. But if you, for example, don't have time for this and you want to know about all the altcoins that I'm currently watching, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, you can join my Discord trading group where I am sharing analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video till the end, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.